Alicia, also known as Miss MMO, and I have some exciting news to share with you guys with this video. So if you haven't been to shopsabeauty.com, then you don't know. Payment plans have most recently been added to the site. Now at checkout, you'll have the option to pay in installments through a third party called Sezzle. Sezzle is so easy, and when I tell you guys, the reviews that I'm getting have been incredible. Everybody loves it. It allows you to pay for your item in installment plans over the course of 6 weeks. So make sure you check it out. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough as to how that works. Okay, so first you want to go to the website and find the product that you like to purchase. Once you find the product you like to purchase, you would continue to check out as normal. So here we're going to buy a full lace wig, which is one of our most popular purchases, in the 20-inch, and you're just going to add it to your cart. Once you've added to the cart, you're going to click checkout now. Once you select checkout now, you want to put in all your information. Sezzle is our third-party option for payment plans, so you're not going to get it at express checkout. You guys have to go all the way through in order to see that option. So you're going to enter all your information here: first name, last name, street address, along with your city and state, zip code, and if you have a discount code, you'll be able to enter it on this page as well. If not, I believe there's one more chance for you to enter it before checkout. And don't forget to put in your email address or your phone number, because that's exactly what I did right here. So make sure that you put in your email address. And then once you do that, you are going to continue to your shipping method. You're going to select how you'd like your product to ship. And once you've done that, you will now see the option to check out with Sezzle. And you'll see here, after you click pay now or complete your order, you'll be redirected to the site. Once redirected to the site, you'll be given an option to log in if you used it before, or to simply sign up. Signing up is really easy. Your applications are processed literally in seconds at checkout. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Like any of my other videos, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Peace.